today I thought I'd show you where I got to this weekend. I didn't actually get as much done as I had hoped to, but that doesn't matter because stitching is not a race, it's all about enjoying it, which I have done a lot. So I thought I'd show you how I'd got on. So I have finished doing the wings, you can also see it on here, and we've actually started to introduce some more of the pinks and reds, which is really nice. We're going to be doing some more of that on the body later in the week. I also started to fill out some of the leaves again and some of the stems, which I hadn't done yet from the other side. So that was just copying what we did last week from the other side. So today I'm going to be starting to finish off filling the wing in here, and we're doing this with the long and short shading stitch, which we showed you in, I think it was yesterday's video, Philippa doing that. Now this one's a little bit different to the other long and short shading stitches that we've done, because the first layer is actually using a double thread. So I thought I would show you how I get on with that today. So yes, we're going to start doing this wing with the double thread long and short stitching. So I've just realised that I've actually done my long and short stitches the wrong way around. So instead of coming from the tip into the feathers, I've actually gone from the feathers to the tip. So I'm going to undo that and start again, just because I think it'll ruin the way that the direction of the leaf and of the feathers. So I'm going to undo that. Luckily we hadn't got too far before I realised the mistake. So we're going to unstitch that and I will show you it going the right way. So I have unstitched all of that wrong stitching and we've just started to do it the right way. So I thought I'd show you how it's actually meant to be. So you're going to come up from the centre and then down into the base of the feathers, and it works a lot easier doing it that way. You get the right direction. And you can actually make the scalloped edge a lot easier as well. So I'm just going to finish off doing this wing and I will show you how it looked at the end. So I thought I would just show you how I'm getting on. So here we've got, on this wing, I've actually done the second colour, and you do it slightly differently to the first double thread colour. So you're using a single thread again, and you're going to come up through the lighter colour and then down to the scallop, which makes it a lot easier, I've found, to get that scallop edging. So you're just going to come up. Sometimes I'm coming up through the colour. I don't know if that's the right way to do it, but just to get that kind of gradient colour coming through. So I thought I would just show you how I'm getting on. Philippa does say, actually, don't be scared to do some really like deep long stitches to really bring the two colours together, and it definitely helps give that gradient look that we're going for. So I'm just going to do a nice long one on that one, and then I will come back to you once we have filled in the top of the wings as well. So here is the finished wings. I'm really happy with how it turns out. I'm loving all of this shading and gradient shading. Makes me very happy. So tomorrow we'll be moving on to doing the main body of the cuckoo. So I will see you tomorrow as we start doing that.